So what is Amazon A plus or EBC enhanced brand content? Essentially what it is a graphic and image representation of your product description on your listing. So if we scroll down in this particular example, you can see under the product description section, instead of just a regular old, block paragraph of text like we can see in this particular example. See, it's just a regular text product description. The EBC, enhanced brand content, gives you the option to do this on your listing, where you have banners and imagery and infographics and different templates that you can work with to really enhance this product description section on your listings. So in order to get access to this, you need what's called brand registry, or BR for short. And you can, go through that whole process with Amazon to be able to, register your brand if you have trademarks and all the different aspects that go into brand registry. And once you do, you should become eligible for this enhanced brand content so that you can start creating this on your product listings. Amazon gives you certain predetermined templates that you can utilize for this section. They have specific banner sizes that you have to follow, and certain layouts and templates that you can choose from to really customize this section to your liking. And it's a really great option for you to experiment and look at those different templates. I believe you can use up to quite a few templates as of the making of this video. And so you really do have quite a few options, and those can be found within your A Plus Content Manager section of your Seller Central account.